1. Collect requirement information. Clarify application scenarios, load size, segmentation accuracy, operating speed, and other requirement information. 2. Calculation parameters. Calculate the required driving angle, stopping angle, rotation time, stopping time, input shaft speed, and other parameters based on the demand information. 3. Select cam type and size. Choose the appropriate cam type and size based on the application scenario and load requirements. 4. Verify torque and inner shaft. Calculate load torque and inertia torque to ensure that the selected cam splitter can meet these requirements. 5. Consider environmental adaptability. Evaluate the impact of the work environment on equipment and select products with good environmental adaptability. 6. Refer to the selection manual or consult the manufacturer. Based on the calculation results and selection requirements, consult the cam splitter selection manual or consult the manufacturer's technical personnel for recommended models.